Looking for a simple way to earn money online by completing small tasks? Today, I will show you how to make money daily using a site called RapidWorkers. No experience is needed, no special skill, just your phone or laptop and an internet connection. If you're ready for that, let's dive into the video. So, RapidWorker is a crowdsourcing website that connects employers who need small tasks done with workers from around the world. These tasks are quick, simple, and range from signing up on websites, watching YouTube videos, following up on Instagram, and writing reviews and more. So, if you look on my screen, you can see simple tasks you can actually complete on this website. Okay, so if you go there, you can see you can select categories of job you want to actually perform on this website, and you can also go ahead and search for the jobs you want to complete on this website. It's very easy. The site is simple for you to use. Okay, so all you have to do is go through the interface. I'm going to show you how to sign up on this website, so make sure you watch from the beginning to the end so that you get all the information you need from this website. Okay, so if you go here, you can see find your next task. Okay, explore a diverse list of short-term tasks that match your skills and schedule. Okay, so you can go ahead and find a job if you are a freelancer. If you are someone that wants to connect people to work for you, you can also go ahead and post your job here and people will work for you. Okay, these are examples of available tasks that they have on this site. Okay, so if I go down, you can see sample of available tasks that you can actually perform on this website and how much each task can actually pay you. Okay, so this is it about this rapid worker. So next I'm going to be showing you how to sign up on this website. Very easy. Okay, you can also get paid for each task you completed, and the more consistent you are, the more you earn. So let's get registered on this. So to get registered, all you have to do, just click on register, and it's going to take you to the page where you register. You write your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, confirm it, enter your referral code. I'm going to be leaving the referral code on my description so you can go ahead and use it, but it's not a must. Okay, you can actually sign up without a referral code. Okay, so once you do that, you go ahead and sign up. So let me sign up and show you how the interface of this looks like. Okay, so once you finish registration, you're still also going to complete your profile. So go ahead and put your username, your country, and the rest. Okay, so once that is confirmed, it's going to bring you inside the interface. Okay, where you're going to see everything you're going to be doing here. Okay, so you can see everything here is still 000 because this is just a new account that I just opened for the purpose of this video. Okay, so you're going to see balance, deposit, withdraw, completed job, just created, and other transactions that has happened there. Okay, so what you are going to do now that you've created this account, once the account is like this, the next thing you are going to do is just to go to jobs and start performing jobs. So I'm going to show you how to start performing jobs on this platform. So you're going to go up, you're going to see jobs. Okay, so you can see these jobs up here. Click on jobs, and then it's going to show you different jobs available for you to do here. Okay, jobs like signing up on different platforms and following people on Twitter, signing up for newsletters, downloading apps, leaving comments on blogs, watching videos. So many tasks that you can actually perform, and the tax earning listing from $0.1 to $1.5 per tax. Okay, depending on the type of tax you are performing. Okay, so just go look for high paying tax. Okay, so each tax, it depends on the length of time you spend on each tax depends on the amount you are going to be earning. Okay, so for you to earn at least $5 every day, just you have to do like 10 to 20 tax a day. Okay, for you to earn like $5 to $10 per day, and which is very simple. The tax are very easy. If you look here, you can see categories of different tasks you are going to do. You can actually go for high paying jobs so that you can actually earn this money every day. Okay, to maximize your earning, all you have to do here is check in every day. Okay, new tasks are added every day, so make sure you check in daily, complete tasks accurately, because if you do not complete tasks accurately, you will not be getting paid. Okay, and then start with high paying tasks and also stay honest on the platform. So once you know you do all that, okay, you can actually earn at least $5 to $10 daily from this platform. Okay, so once you have that from $5, you can actually withdraw from the platform. Okay, so to actually answer some of the questions you have on this platform, all you need to do, just click on this frequently asked questions. Okay, it's going to show you all the things you need to know on this platform. Just click on the frequently asked questions. It's going to show you everything you need to know about the platform. Just go ahead and read it. Okay, how to withdraw money from RapidWorker and a minimum of $5. Then go to withdraw section and withdraw your money using any available payment method. Support multiple channels to ensure you access your funds conveniently. Okay, so this is actually how this site works. You can also go down and read so many other stuff you need to read here. Okay, just maneuver the platform. It's going to actually help you earn more money daily from this platform. Okay, so these are different blog sites on this platform that you can actually also go ahead and read. If you want to contact them, just click on contact. If you have any issue with your sign up, you have any issue with your withdrawal, just go ahead and click on contact them, and the email is already there for you to contact them. Okay, so use the email and contact them, and if any issue you are having with them will be resolved. Okay, so if you're looking to make extra cash from anywhere in the world, okay, RapidWorker is a great place to start. It won't make you rich overnight, remember, but it can definitely fund your data to add up something bigger over the time. Was this helpful? Then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who needs it. Okay, let me know in the comments which other platform would you like me to review.